This is a 2004 Dodge, and removing this handle, it's so easy, it is mind-blowing. The door panel is very easy to remove. The panel itself has 4 screws, 2 number 3s, and down here 2 number 2s. But before we do that, we need to remove this, which is a torque bit, a T40. This set here is a time saver. It's so much easier just to grab this one set, find exactly what I need, and get to business. Pull the handle up slightly, and there we have access to the T40 bolt. This one's in there a little snugger. I'm going to try it. There's one button right there. These are number 2 Phillips. There's the other number 2 Phillips. Back where we removed the handle, behind the handle, this is a number 3 Phillips. Please do not use a number 2 Phillips. There's a size difference. This is also a number 3 Phillips. Now we just lift. The panel comes off. Now we need to remove this plastic shield. When we pull this, it has this weird sticky stuff, and instead of letting it string out like this and make a mess, take a pair of scissors and just cut the string. Just cut that. It comes apart a lot easier. See that? It just strings out. Just make life easier and cleaner. As far as I need to get in there. I don't want this plastic flopping in my way, so I'm going to put a weight on this to hold it down. Just put it right in that hole. There. I'll hold this plastic down, and I have access to the back of the handle. First, we need to disconnect this blue clip, and the bar comes out of this groove. So we just need to pop that. So now it's out, and now the bar will just, now just push the bar out. Now the bar is free. This orange clip has to come off the exact same way the blue one did. And it's out. This here is an 8mm. Go through the square right here. Rock it up. It does help open the handle and then get it out. And the reason why opening the handle moves this piece out of the way. See that? So we open the handle and then it pops out. My objective is to rekey this lock. This here is a T25. To pop this clip off, we need to push this tab up here out of the way, and then there we go. Finally got that off. Take this off. Okay, I just had this rekeyed, and if people want to know where I got it done, I'll put a link to the business. If you're in Oregon, I would recommend, it's called the Green Key. It might be easier to install the lock into the handle before we connect the linkage. If I reach my hand around here, maybe I can get these lock in before I even put it in the vehicle. Just rotate the orange clip. You know what? I'm gonna put it in there first and then see if I can get the blue. See my dilemma? Okay, so I had to take the two nuts off and open this up a little bit, and then take a screwdriver and press it from the back side to get that blue clip to go on. Now I'm going to put these nuts back on and call it good. Plastic back up. This stuff sticks back on. Number 3 Phillips. Number 2 Phillips. Hey, don't do what I did and lose a socket in the door. I recommend taking some tape and taping the socket onto an extension before working in there.